Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn the listening skill, prediction. We have learned some introduction about IELTS exam last week. Do you still remember how many parts? Okay, good. You got it, right? You understand it very clearly. Very good. So today we're going to practice more. We're going to focus on the first part of the listening passage, okay? So as I have mentioned, we will learn the prediction skill. We will discuss about what kind of problems you always meet and how to predict while listening, because it can help you identify the key information and learn it very quickly. So prediction here is the focus we are going to deal with, okay? You may ask me, what is prediction? For example, if you want to say it's going to rain, so it's kind of prediction. How can you predict that? Because of the clouds, because of the weather, because you feel it's so gloomy. The weather tells you everything, right? So it's a kind of prediction. Also, when you say this person looks very nice because of her smile, her personality, so it's kind of prediction. You predict the person's personality. Today, we're going to use this skill in listening, especially listening part 1, okay? How do you feel about the listening passage 1? Do you think it's very easy? Oh no, why? Maybe because you didn't learn the skills, okay? So I'm going to introduce 3 skills for you. First, the type of information is required in this blank. And second, part of speech, like whether it's a noun, adjective, or a verb. And third, think of the synonyms or paraphrases that might be used. You may ask me, what's synonym? You know synonym, right? Happy. If you say you are happy, you're not sad, right? And it can be like this. But in listening passage, it can be more complicated, like a quarter equals 25%. So you use a quarter while you hear about 25% to fill in the blank. And also the cafeteria. The cafeteria is a difficult word, right? If you hear about dining hall or eat some places, at some places, you will know, oh, okay, here probably it can be a cafeteria or dining hall to fill in the blank. So this kind of synonym or paraphrase, because you need to change the word quickly while you listen, okay? Very good. For the first part, the type of information required, I will give you an example. Now I will give you 2 minutes to read the following small passage, transport from Bayswater. Okay, you can have a look very quickly, okay? Okay, time is up. So we have 5 blanks in this passage. Transport from Bayswater. So anybody can tell me how do you predict here? As I have mentioned just now, you can predict the part of speech, the synonym or paraphrase, and the information required. Okay? So the first one, express train leaves at, so you think it's a time, right? Usually we say train and the time to say what time, okay? And the second, nearest station is at a place, so it should be a place name, okay? Like where is the nearest station? You can think of the question and then answer it here, okay? So it should be a place name for the second blank. And third one, number 706 bus goes to where? It should be a place name, right? Like where are you going? I go to where, right? So here, and third blank is also a place name. And the fourth one, number, which bus goes to station? So number, it should be a number here, right? The fifth one, earlier bus leaves at also is a time, right? Leaves at 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So we predict through the information, skimming the information in this passage. A time, a place name, a number or a date, a price, a person's name. Okay? So you know what happened through this passage. And then I will play the recording so you can hear, okay? So you can know what happens in this passage. Okay, that's really good. Now you have heard the listening part, the audio I just played, and you know what you predict. You can guess the exact information you can fill in the blank. And then now you work with your partner. 4 people will be in a group. We have 24 students. And so you can discuss about the prediction from listening part, from listening text paper 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Okay, good. So anyone can represent your group to come to the front to represent your group to say what you have listened to and what you predicted. Okay? Oh, very good. You have done very good job. So today you learned the skim, predict, and listen skill. And you feel that it should be easier to listen to, right? And you can choose the right answer quickly compared to the past, right? So I'm going to give you a handout. You can practice at home. Remember to predict before you listen. Next week, we are going to deal more about this skill and practice more. And we are going to introduce to another skill. Okay? Thank you. See you next time.